How does a value investor trade the market to make capital gain? Hello everyone, welcome to KCGOH Shares Formulas session on Bank of Fund Index. My name is KCGOH. I'm a remisier cum stock market educator for 27 years. I'm excited to be with you today to share with you one of my favorite topics in trading, which is how does a value investor trade the market to make capital gain? Basically, you need to monitor whether there is any banker in the stock. If there is, you can trade the stock and make your capital gain. Is it possible? Absolutely possible. When a banker begins to enter, we also follow in. And when the banker begins to sell, we also exit the market. Is it that simple? Absolutely. Look at the for example. We have listed here and you will see how is it done. Number 1, Barwest 0098, a company that is mining gold, gained 12 cents in 34 days as a result of the entry of the banker. One will make 1,200 ringgit by just buying 10,000 shares of Barwest. Number 2, BDB 6173 is a property company, and also because of the intervention of banker, within 27 days the stock price rose 25 cents. If you were to buy 10,000 shares, you can make an income of 2,500 ringgit. Number 3, Harbour 2062. This company's business includes shipping and transportations. Also because there is the intervention of banker, the share price rose 76.5 cents within 58 days. If you were to buy 10,000 units, you can make 7,650 ringgit. RGT Berhad 9954. This company manufactures plastic parts. Also because of the cutting in of the banker, the share price rose 36 cents in 51 days. If you were to buy 10,000 shares, you can make a profit of 3,600 ringgit. How do we know that there is a banker involved in the stock? Well, simple. You just need to check the Bank of Fund Index by searching for the red pillar. This is only prominent in KCGOH Shares Formulas. For exit, you can refer to the Japanese candlestick chart, the momentum indicators, or accumulation and distribution indicators. As many investors are interested in our Banker Fund Index, Smart Fund Index, which are not normally found in many common software in town. In order to explain in more details the use of the Banker Fund Index to catch the buy and sell signals, please click on our link to sign up for our free classes on how to use the Banker Fund Index to make handsome profit in the stock market. I hope this video helped you in your investing journey. Please hit that subscribe button if this helped you, and don't forget to hit the like button and also the bell so I can keep making videos like this for you. Also, comment below if you have any question at all. I will try to answer your question. I will see you again. Bye.